Our body is not an island in the ocean, separate from everything else. Our body is part of the ocean. The body is the small universe within the bigger universe. Every drop of water, every particles of energy build up that ocean. Everything you think, do and feel is reflected in your life because energy flows within and without. We are all one energy. Understanding how energy works will help us to understand our bodies, how it functions, and how to make the best of our abilities in order to live a really fulfilled, balanced, harmonious life that fills us with joy. The only reason we can carry on living is to feel joy in every aspect of our being. Do you want to live consciously, whereby every action is a choice, a conscious decision of what you do, what you feel, what you think? Or do you want to be swept up like a little boat in the ocean with big waves, whereby you have no control over anything? You feel like a victim swept by the circumstances of your life. Do you want to be in charge of your life, or do you want to be lost? Understanding how the body operates will help you being in charge of your own life, because everything follows the same principle of how the energy works. When you understand how the energy works and how the universe operates to this energy, you will know to make conscious choices so you can reflect your desire to manifest in life. Choose to live your life consciously. Start by understanding your body, yourself. Choose to support the Energy book by Natalie and Gail Deckel.